So good afternoon. It's not every day you come upon a rooster in the middle of a beach town. Look at how pretty though, with that red car in the background. Yeah, what are you doing here? This is IAM Nancy, the nature girl, and are you gonna strut your stuff like you were before? Hello? I've got some pumpkin seeds in the car, but I tend not to. I let the animals find their own food, and we don't want to interfere in too much. And what they're up to, so maybe if I move around a little bit. Hey! Well, you're not scared of me, are you? Maybe you are. I'm not coming over there, though. Do you have anything to say? You're so pretty. You're so pretty. Maybe you have an injured leg, though. Oh, there you go. Shake that head. There you. Okay, we're fine. No, we're walking around. Oh, look at that. Okay. Shake it out. All right. Oh, have a little nibble. I am Nancy, the nature girl. Oh, enjoy what you see today.